kay Magot man.
Is said that Mariana Pai is
Sunod lagi sa sige ko nagtuot.
Like
so pinag-ibig mo what are that? Huh? Paano na super dead?
Super dead.
Ako si Super Dem!
Super dead.
Super Dem!
Grabe.
Development.
It can provide at the selection of alternative from one alternative to another alternative. So, sa ninyo, guys. Wala pa. Ako man ako. So, ganun yung decision making, kahit making of decision, siya. Ayaw sa mga mo. Punta na.
Wala pa.
Decision making, make a decision. Mag-iong decision ba? Decision making ka, make a decision. Ayaw mo sa mo, balik. Balik. Next. Classification of leaders. Ikaw ba? Usan kayo mga classification of leaders? Maisal medyo ka. Classification of leaders. Claro. Mga tanong. So first, autocratic leader. Autocratic leader. Kaya kanino leader? Pag-English ko, kumapisiya. So actually, autocratic leader is a type of leader which always
Don't speak Bisaya. Speak English always.
Actually, autocratic leader is a type of leader which is so absolute. So the members of this kind of leader is that they remain silent. So
What kind of leader or leadership? Leader lang.
leadership